all my respected guests, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to present. The burning Kashmir is a burning paradise. Dear sir, the Kashmir has burning issues nowadays. Today there are many issues which are the people of Kashmir are dying, the children of Kashmir are crying, even some of them lost their parents for fighting against their rights, and even some of them lost their children for fighting against their rights. They want their rights, they want peace, they want freedom. Even some of them lost their rights, and even the people of Kashmir were facing many problems and trouble in their life. Since India and Pakistan got independence in 1947, the issue of Kashmir has been started. The issue of Kashmir is the main bone of condensation between two neighbors. Oh Kashmir, I feel sorry for you, and all my sympathies are with you. And soon the day will come when the sun of hope will rise, and the day of night will soon be end. Thank you.